I know a fitness coach that generates $100,000 per month through one single sales funnel. So in this video, I'm gonna break down his funnel and I'm gonna show you step by step how you can set up the same exact thing so you can start generating more leads, nurturing more customers, and building your business. If you don't know me, my name is Eric Anthony Klima. I'm the CEO of PT Legends, where we help personal trainers and online fitness coaches scale their online fitness business, get more clients, and have more sustainable systems that generate them leads around the clock. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys step by step in this video exactly how you can set it up, and I'm going to share screens with you in a second. But before I do, I just want to break down exactly, just looking at it from a high 30,000 foot overview. So a lead magnet is something that you offer for free in exchange for someone's information. When you get that information, you want to contact them and you want to lead them to a page where they can potentially book a call. Now, what's nice here is that you're giving them free value on the front end before even offering a call. So they're already being nurtured prior to having the call with you. And if they don't book a call, we're going to show you exactly how to capture all these leads in the system so you can continue to follow up with them and eventually nurture them to booking a call. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so first thing you need to do is you need to sign up to our software, where we're going to have pre-made templates to build this thing out so that you can have auto text and email follow-up and all the templates, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. You'll get your first 30 days for free. Unless you already have a software like Go High Level or HubSpot or something like that, then you could just follow the same exact instructions. Second thing is, this is my girlfriend Patricia. She's a fitness coach who's making 40K per month. I actually helped her get there. Is you need a lead magnet. A lead magnet is, again, anything you can give away for free. An ebook like this will do just fine. Hers is in Spanish, obviously. If you're marketing to English people, put it in English. Could be a video, could be any free training. The perfect example is this video that I'm making right now. Could be considered a lead magnet. I could put it in the funnel and start collecting emails and trying to convert those people into customers. So for example purposes, we're going to use an ebook, especially for fitness. This works really well. And she created this in Canva, and we're just going to take the link right here. So, and I have another video training. You can click the link below. I'll leave in the description on how you can create lead magnets in under 10 minutes using ChatGPT if you don't have a lead magnet already. If you do, I'm going to move forward into the next step. So once you are in your software, in your CRM, or wherever, maybe even you're using ClickFunnels, what you're going to do is on the left-hand side, you're going to click on Sites. In Legends 360, we actually give you pre-made funnels ready to roll out. So this is going to make your journey a lot easier. And what you're going to do is you're just going to click on Sites, and you're just going to use our template that says lead magnet funnel. You're going to click on that bad boy, and we're going to edit this bad boy from scratch. So first page is the opt-in page. Okay. And this is where you're going to have your attractive offer for the lead magnet, so you can capture their email and their phone number. That way there, you can send them the lead magnet via email. Okay. So we're just going to edit this page. Okay. And this is already set up for you guys. And as the example, this one says how to achieve peak fitness without sacrificing family time in just 15 minutes a day. And then it says 100% free. Just enter your email address and we'll send you instant access to the training, which covers a blueprint on how to achieve peak fitness without sacrificing family time in just 15 minutes per day. You can change the colors to all these things. So her color is kind of like purple. I'll change that on later. That way there, we don't make this training super long. You change the logo, obviously. You want to change it to yours. And all you're going to simply do is just click on that, and you're going to click on this right here, and you're going to put your logo. And the way that you upload new logos is you just click on new upload right there. So I'm going to put her logo, and then I'm going to resize it. So I'm actually waiting for my girlfriend to send me the text to put in here because I don't know Spanish that well. So meanwhile, while she's sending me the text, I'm going to show you an overview of exactly how it's going to look step by step, so you guys completely understand like the process of how this works and how powerful it is. And I promise you guys that if you do this and you tell people about your stuff, whether you run paid traffic or organic traffic to it, it's going to be an easy way to get new customers, or at least build your list and start building the business of your dreams. So what happens is, let's say for example, you're in the DMs, you're like, hey, I got this free lead magnet showing you how to do XYZ, right? So they click on get instant access. They put their name, email, phone number, 973-442. I'm just going to put a random phone number, and they click on grant me access. And then what happens then is it takes them to the next page. Now on this page, if you're going to do the ebook, you're just going to delete this video, and via email, it's going to send them an email. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. But there's also going to be a link for them to apply to book a call right here. And then you're going to have a bunch of testimonials right here. That way there, they get their free ebook, but they can also schedule a call right there. Now, in the process of doing this, you're also hitting them with emails every day. They're also going to get hit with an automatic text, which is trying with the mission to actually get them to book a call, right? So we're giving them free value on the front end. For example, my funnel was set up for them to get this free training. training, but they also have the option to book a call right there, right? So they watch the free training, like, this free training was awesome. I want to learn more about what it's like working one-to-one with you. Plus, if they don't book a call right there, they're getting nurtured through the emails, they're getting more value, they're getting more touch points, they're getting more follow-ups from your appointment setter, from yourself, they're getting automated text messages. So it's leading them to book a call. I'm gonna go back right now and finish editing this for her so you guys can see the whole process and how to edit it yourself, okay? And show you how easy it is as well. Okay, so she just sent it to me over in Slack, and this is what we use to actually coach our clients and communicate with them. As you can see, we have 224 clients in there, constant wins all the time. We always answer our clients' questions, and it's July 4th right now, and we're still in the trenches with them. As you can see, Zachary Miller just started a week ago, and he's already got calls set up on Sunday. Cool. So without further ado, I'm just gonna copy and paste what she sent me. Okay, so we're gonna copy this so we can change it, and you guys definitely wanna come up with an attractive hook or title, you can call it here, right? If you don't have a good offer for whatever you're giving away for free, and you're like, hey, Eric, I didn't get any leads from it, it's probably because your hook sucked, right? If you're just like, hey, here's my fat loss meal plan, like, nobody's gonna want that, right? You need something attractive, like how to achieve peak fitness without sacrificing family time in just 15 minutes a day. Like, that's attractive, right? You're saying, hey, I'm gonna show you how to get fucking shredded in just 15 minutes a day. So it's an attractive offer. Even though it's free, it's an offer. Okay, so we're gonna put whatever she has here, this Spanish mumbo jumbo. Okay, so now I'm just gonna copy and paste, basically say 100% for free. Just enter your email address and we'll send you instant access to the training, which covers, now make sure you change this, the blueprint on how to achieve fitness without sacrificing family time in just 15 minutes a day. So just make sure you change it to, you know, whatever the name of your lead magnet is, okay? And this is hers, it's just in Spanish. And make sure you always click on save and publish. That way there, it updates, and always check your work, right? So let's go back to her page here. The way you do that is you click on this little eyeball right here, and then boom, you get a preview, right? So if there's something that you don't like, just make sure you go ahead and edit it, okay? So I'm gonna go back. I'm also gonna edit this pop-up menu, which you just go, because you want all the branding to be aligned. So I'm just gonna change this little button here. So you just click on pop-up settings right here, and then there should be a button to change the color of the button. Okay, so what's next after you make sure edit the pop-up setting right here, which you only need the first name, email, and phone number, is to edit the next page, okay? So we're gonna go back. This is called the VSL page, and the rest of these you can just, don't worry about that for now. I'll get into that in a little bit. We're gonna edit this one and make sure that everything is aligned. So I'm gonna show you two different ways, okay? If it's a video, okay, so now is the page of where they either where the goal is to get them to book a consultation. You can go with option A, which is putting a lead magnet video, or if you're not good on camera, or if you already have like an ebook like I showed you Patricia has done, then you will send that to their email, and I'm gonna show you how to automate that so you don't have to manually do it every single time, okay? So I would just change this to step 2 actually. Right here, if you're gonna do the ebook way, then you're just going to simply delete this. Okay, then just delete this part since it's not a video, and this part too, and you're just going to do that by clicking the delete button right here. Sometimes it's a little sensitive. Okay, step 2 is you're going to put reserve your one-to-one breakthrough planning session below. Okay, I would also put the name of your business or method. So hers would be GlowFit Breakthrough Planning Session below, or you can put fitness consultation, right? And by now they've received the ebook, and you know the goal is to get them to book a call on this page. Now over here, you want to put video testimonials, or at the very least, pictures of the transformations that you have, okay? So what I'm gonna do is just change this in Spanish real quick. Okay, so now this is ready to go. Again, just make sure you click on save, publish, make sure you add, I'm not gonna show you in this video, well, I'll just show you, yeah. I usually use YouTube, so all you do is just click on this box right here, and then you can add the video. I like to upload them to YouTube, so I can just literally go to YouTube right now and steal the video link, and it's as easy as that to add your testimonials. Or you can add the videos just by clicking on hosted video. You can upload the video here, but I think it's easiest to add it to YouTube or Vimeo, and then you just simply just go grab the link, and I'll go show you what that looks like.
If you need help making them,
so I can grab any of these testimonials that we have. I'll just grab Eli's to make it easy, share, copy. Then you're gonna go back and you add the URL right there. Click on save, publish. The thumbnail's already there. I would also make sure that you have the settings to make sure it's not on autoplay. So typically it's gonna be off, but just double check, okay? So then you're just going to click publish and you're gonna make sure you check it. And this isn't fully completed. I'm gonna have her, you know, add her own testimonials and change this stuff to Spanish when she gets a chance. But as you can see, they go to the first page where they opt in. Now the second page is where they get sent the free ebook or watch your free training. Watching the free training would be, you know, option B, which would be a video similar to this. And the testimonials are below, right?
Is when we started.
And they can just book a call, you know, right here. So that's ultimately the goal. Now the next part I'm going to show you is the email templates that we have set up. That way there you can just plug and play, you know, changing to make sure it matches your brand and stuff. So you're just going to go back. You are going to click on marketing. Once you join our software, or you can create your own using ChatGPT or something, you just click on emails. We actually have templates already created for you. So you click on templates and you'll see lead magnet emails. And you're simply going to click on that. And there's 7 days of proven emails to nurture them and also keep offering them fitness consultation. So as you can see, when you click on it, all you're going to do is fill in these blanks because they're already built out for you and ready to roll. So pretty simple, pretty easy. Now, just to give you another 30,000 foot overview so you can get context on how this works, I'm going to show you that, okay? So she actually brought up a good point, which I forgot to mention. She asked me, how do I add the ebook? So make sure in the email, like if you're doing ebook style, right? Since they're going to receive it via email, you want to make sure you add the link to the ebook in here, right? So I'm so glad you made it. First off, here's insert link to lead magnet with lead magnet name, right? Here's the free training on how to do blah, blah, blah. I'm just going to put that, okay? And then you just highlight this and you're going to link text, and we're going to go grab that link real quick. And I think you sent it here, right? Copy link, and you're going to put the link right there and you're good to go. So this is how they receive the free training, right? And you can change, obviously it's not going to say blah, blah, blah. You're going to put, here's the free training on how to burn fat and blah, blah, whatever you named your lead magnet, okay? And you can just change that later, okay? So yeah, you just insert the link here, change the wording to whatever the label of yours is. So for, in her instance, it's called, you know, whatever this is in Spanish and English, and then make sure you change it in the remaining emails as well. Now, along with that, they're also going to receive a text message. So now what we're going to do is customize the automation. So you just click on automation right here. That way they can get the auto texts and emails. Okay. So all you're simply going to do is you're going to go to pipeline stages, and then you're going to opt-in form filled out, and you're going to duplicate workflow. Okay. And we're going to label it lead magnet automation. Okay, and this is already built out for you if you join our software. And we're gonna make sure that they get an email and text when they submit this, once they fill out this form. Okay, so form submitted. You're gonna choose the form that they filled out basically. And the way you're gonna do that is you're gonna click on sites, forms, and you're just gonna duplicate this one, okay? And you're gonna name it lead magnet opt-in. That way there the form is ready to go. And I actually forgot to do this in the beginning, but we're gonna do it now. And we're going to just go back to the funnel, which was this one, and we're gonna change the opt-in. That way there we have two separate ones going to the right places. The way you're gonna do that is just gonna click on this, and you're gonna click on pop-up settings, and we're gonna change this form. We're gonna say look for the lead magnet one, boom, and then you're going to save. And the reason why I did that in hers is because she has two different funnels, one for more direct sales and then one for the lead magnet, and we want them to have two completely different text messages and automations. Okay, so we're gonna go back, and then we're going to go to automations, and we're gonna go back to pipeline stages, and we're gonna go to that lead magnet automation that we duplicated, and we're gonna make sure the trigger is the right one, which is the lead magnet opt-in. So that means every time that someone fills out that opt-in, it's gonna trigger this automation. It's gonna put them into an opportunity stage, which I'm just gonna skip through that because it's not that important in this training. And then we're gonna build out the emails. Okay, so you do have to change the emails in this to the lead nurture ones once you're finished filling them out. Okay, so lead nurture one, you just put that, it'll automatically synchronize everything once you change it. Okay, and just to show you what that looks like, you can preview this here. You definitely want to just preview it to make sure that the right emails are in there. It should say lead magnet email number one. So once you edit it, you know, all this will be changed automatically. That way there you don't have to type it out throughout your automations that you build out. So the next thing that we want to do is just make sure you save that and you edit the rest of the emails, which you guys can do on your own time. Is, you know, for example, you want to go to email 2 and you want to change that to the lead magnet one, number 2, and then so on and so forth. That way there, everything aligns properly. Is you want to change the text message. So you want it to be something like this. So, hey, contact first name. This is called a custom value. So whatever they put on the opt-in form, it will automatically synchronize their name. So obviously it would say Eric if they put Eric. I'm excited to give you access to my awesome lead magnet. So make sure you fill in the blanks and put the whatever whatever the name of your lead magnet is. I'll drop the link below in case it got lost in your emails. Could you tell me more about your current situation to see if I can help out? So what we're doing here is we're creating an engaging conversation to see if we can start, having a conversation that leads to a book sales call. Then we're just gonna save that. It'll automatically follow up as well. So if they don't answer, you have automated follow-ups here. And I would just make it, hey, custom values, contact, first name. Did you get a chance to look at the free amazing training? Wanted to make sure you got access. Okay, something along the lines of that. And this automation will stop as soon as they respond. That way there you don't look silly. So if you go to settings, if you want to just make sure it's on stop on response, okay? And it will stop as soon as they respond. That way there you can take over the conversation. And then the next one is keep going, change the next text. Actually, there are no more texts. You should have more text here. Email number 2. Yeah, I would have more text here. So SMS, and I would put, hey, contact, first name. Did the aliens abduct you before you could respond? LOL. Now, what's gonna happen here is, again, they're gonna opt in with their email, their name, their phone number. They're gonna automatically get a text immediately with the free ebook and also an email. This email right here that I showed you guys that you guys just customize. It has 7-day nurture email templates for you guys that you just fill in the blanks. And then you'll also be able to see the conversation that's going on between them. Let's just turn this on and she can edit this later. You wanna make sure this stuff is working by opting into your own stuff. You'll be able to see the message come in here, and I'll show you how that looks in a second. So let's go back and start from the beginning so you guys can see how it looks. So just go back to sites and you're gonna go to lead magnet funnel, and let's just make sure that this is published. Yep, everything looks good. We're going to click on that. And this is how it's gonna look from the prospect's point of view. They're gonna click on get access. They click on grant access. Sorry, I just didn't want to show my phone number. And then right here, they can book a consultation. But if they don't, they're getting hit with emails at the same time and also text message. So you go to conversations right here. You should see an SMS, if I set it up properly, any second now. Okay, that's why we didn't see it, because I have it for wait 5 minutes. But as you can see, Eric Lima, which is me, automatically received the email. Just, obviously make sure you fill in the blanks. And the goal here is to get them, within an engaged conversation to eventually book a call, or really ideally is that they book a call on that funnel page. Okay, cool. So it took 5 minutes, but that's because I have the setting to wait 5 minutes so they're not immediately getting a text message, and we're in conversation. Plus, you can start calling them in here as well, which is what we actually do, is we call all of our leads as well, to make sure that they got the lead magnet and then potentially book a call. Key thing to remember here, guys, is to really be on top of your leads. Make sure you have all the automations, the email set up. You can set this up fairly, quickly, 45 minutes to an hour, I'd say, by simply just editing templates that we give inside of Legends 360. And from here, right, you'll see all the text messages. Let's just pretend this for a second. Hey, I got it. Tell me more about fat loss. And you'll see it pop up in a second. I just texted her back. Boom. From here, our goal is to guide that conversation to a book call. And that's it, guys. Now all you need to do is drive traffic to this lead magnet funnel. Now you have a way of where you're not just capturing valuable information where you can follow up with these leads, but a way to book calls on autopilot or semi-autopilot. If you put an appointment setter in there, then, or a virtual assistant, then it will be completely on autopilot where you just take your calls. The next thing is just driving traffic from either paid traffic, organic, or both to this lead magnet. And now you have a system to book calls on autopilot overnight. So I hope this training helped. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you drop a thumbs up for me so I can keep dropping free value for you guys. And I hope this helped. Peace.